Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode using the iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open up the Settings app and then go down to Focus. And then at the top you can find Do Not Disturb, and these are all of the Do Not Disturb settings. At the top you can turn Do Not Disturb on, and then you can choose the people that you'd like to still receive notifications from with Do Not Disturb on. You can also choose apps that you can get notifications from while Do Not Disturb is on. You can also choose to let other people see your focus status so that if you're texting someone, they can see that you have Do Not Disturb on and they'll know not to text you. You can also choose if you get notifications on your home screen. You can also choose if you get notifications on your lock screen as well. You can also set up a schedule where Do Not Disturb will come on automatically during certain times. You can also quickly turn Do Not Disturb on and off by swiping down and pressing the focus button. And that is how to turn Do Not Disturb on and off on the iPhone 13 Pro.